So you might find yourself stuck with a black and white screen like this one on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So I'll be showing you a couple of things you can do to try and fix this problem. Now, the first thing you want to check is your accessibility settings. That's because you might have grayscale enabled in your accessibility settings. So go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and then go to vision enhancements, tap on that, and then under that you want to look for color correction. Okay, now you might have color correction enabled and maybe even set to grayscale, and that might be part of your problem. So you want to come here and disable color correction. So make sure that is off. Now, if that still does not fix your problem, then you might want to try checking sleep mode. Now, if you have sleep mode enabled, then that sleep mode might have a grayscale setting in it. That means anytime sleep mode is activated, your phone turns on grayscale and makes your phone black and white. So if you go into settings, just go back to the main settings page. So in the settings page, scroll down to modes and routines, tap on that, and then you can see I have sleep mode on. So I'll tap on sleep mode and turn it off. And in case that removes the grayscale, it means you do have the grayscale option in your sleep mode. So you might want to check your sleep mode. So under choose what this mode does, you can see it has set do not disturb on. So you might want to go there and remove that. Okay, and then tap on done, and now you can turn on sleep mode. And now and as you can see, we still have grayscale. So let's turn it back on and then look at other options. We have grayscale still, okay, under other actions. So we can remove that and then tap on done. So now we should have to be we can now enable sleep mode without turning on the grayscale. Okay, so it's a normal sleep mode. It's just going to turn on dark mode because that's what I have in the settings. Okay, but that's basically how to remove the black and white screen or grayscale on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now, if those two methods do not work completely, then you might want to try and reset settings. Okay, so if you go back to the main settings page, let me just turn off this sleep mode first, so you can go back into light mode. So on the main settings page, if you scroll down to general management and tap on that, and then under general management, go to reset, tap on that, and then you want to scroll down to reset all settings. So try that first. Just select this, and this is going to reset your security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. So just tap on reset settings and see if that works. If that doesn't work, you might have to perform a factory data reset, and this is going to reset your phone exactly the way it was when you first took it out of the box. It's a complete factory data reset. In case everything does not work, you might want to check out that option. But that is basically how to remove the grayscale or the black and white screen on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.